Welcome to Haswings. I'm your host James. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of hidden Easter eggs around the globe. From ancient symbols to modern-day pop culture references, these hidden gems offer a unique glimpse into the minds of their creators and the cultures that embrace them. Get ready to uncover some of the most intriguing secrets hidden in plain sight. Before we set off on our global adventure, let's take a moment to understand what exactly Easter eggs are and why they hold such a special place in our hearts. The term Easter egg doesn't always refer to those colourful treats we hunt for in the spring. In the world of art, design, and entertainment, an Easter egg is a hidden message, image, or feature, cleverly concealed by its creator. These playful additions can be found in movies, video games, software, and even real-world locations, adding an extra layer of meaning and enjoyment for those lucky enough to discover them. The origins of Easter eggs can be traced back centuries, with some historians linking them to ancient pagan traditions and festivals celebrating spring and rebirth. Others point to the Christian tradition of decorating and hiding eggs during Easter, a symbol of new life and resurrection. Regardless of their exact beginnings, Easter eggs have evolved over time, transcending cultural and religious boundaries to become a universal symbol of surprise, delight, and the thrill of discovery. Our first stop takes us to the happiest place on Earth, the magical world of Disney parks. But beyond the enchanting rides and beloved characters lies a world of hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. The legendary hidden Mickeys. These subtle silhouettes of Mickey Mouse's iconic head and ears are scattered throughout the parks, cleverly incorporated into the architecture, landscaping, and even the smallest details of the decor. Imagine strolling down Main Street, USA, ice cream cone in hand, and spotting Mickey's silhouette, cleverly formed by 3 plates on a table, setting outside a restaurant. Or perhaps you're soaring through the air on Peter Pan's flight, and you glance down to see Mickey's head formed by a cluster of clouds below. The hunt for hidden Mickeys adds a whole new level of excitement and challenge to the Disney experience, inviting guests to become part of a secret society of eagle-eyed explorers. Our next destination takes us to the heart of Paris, where an iron giant pierces the sky, the iconic Eiffel Tower. But few know that hidden within its intricate latticework lies a secret apartment, a secluded sanctuary high above the bustling streets below. This exclusive apartment, perched on the tower's 3rd level, was designed and built by Gustave Eiffel himself. While the tower was initially met with skepticism and even outrage from some Parisians, Eiffel envisioned his creation as more than just a spectacle. He wanted it to be a hub for scientific research and a symbol of French ingenuity. The apartment, with its cozy furnishings, laboratory equipment, and breathtaking panoramic views, served as Eiffel's private retreat, a place where he could work, entertain distinguished guests, and escape the public eye. Our journey now takes us across the Atlantic to the rugged Black Hills of South Dakota, where the faces of 4 American presidents stare out from their granite monument, Mount Rushmore, while the sheer scale and artistry of this colossal sculpture are awe-inspiring. Hidden behind the face of President Abraham Lincoln lies a secret chamber, a time capsule of sorts, intended to preserve the legacy of this monumental achievement. The chamber, carved deep within the granite, was the brainchild of sculptor Gutzon Borglum, who envisioned it as a hall of records, a repository of American history and ideals for future generations. Borglum's ambitious plan was to create a grand hall, accessed by a granite stairway. But unfortunately, due to financial constraints and his untimely death, the project was never fully realized. Our final destination takes us to the Vatican City, where a masterpiece of Renaissance art adorns the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. Michelangelo's awe-inspiring frescoes. But beyond the breathtaking beauty of these biblical scenes lies a hidden layer of meaning, a secret code waiting to be deciphered. Michelangelo, a master of both art and anatomy, is believed to have concealed anatomical illustrations within the frescoes, particularly within the depiction of God and the creation of Adam. Experts believe that these hidden anatomical figures, some say representing the human brain, were Michelangelo's way of expressing his deep understanding of the human form, and perhaps even his own spiritual beliefs. The Sistine Chapel's hidden messages serve as a testament to Michelangelo's genius, reminding us that sometimes the greatest secrets are hidden in plain sight, waiting for those with a keen eye and a curious mind to unlock their mysteries. Thanks for joining us on this journey to uncover hidden Easter eggs around the world. From the whimsical hidden Mickeys of Disney parks to the secret messages concealed within the Sistine Chapel's masterpieces, we've explored a diverse range of hidden treasures, each offering a unique glimpse into history, culture, and the power of human ingenuity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content from Haswings. I'm James, and I'll see you in the next adventure.